In this video we're gonna work on this UPPABaby Cruz version 2 stroller. As you can see here, the seat frame is damaged and was damaged by Air Canada crew whenever they took it to store the bottom portion of the plane during travel. We didn't reach out to Air Canada to see if they would pay for the damages, but from what I heard, generally they don't give refunds or they are not helping out with that. So we're gonna try to fix that, and instead of taking more expensive stroller for travel by plane, best to use something like this. This one I got on Amazon open box for only $48. It's a lot lighter, you could easily lift it with your one hand, and like I said, only $48. If it does get damaged, it's not that big of a deal. New one I think it's $75, but open box, which was pretty much brand new, was only $48, and I'll give you a link for this one under this video. But let's work on this one. So initially I thought about trying to repair this, and maybe you could use JB weld, but I don't know how strong it's gonna be. I initially thought about finding a used seat, and usually they go for 150, 200, and most of the time they have everything else included. So I looked up on UPPABaby website and I found that they sell the actual frame for only $62 with a free shipping. So I definitely bought that. It arrived only in like 2-3 days. So let's try to put it all in together. So here's what was in the box, in great condition, definitely not damaged. And look at this one. Same color, so it's gonna be exact. So first thing we'll do is we'll remove this seat from the stroller frame. We'll start by removing this handle and also remove this cover. Everything else is just one piece, I think. So we'll unzip right here, two things right here, removal. So we are done here. Unplug this one, same thing on this side. And it's literally falls off. On this one we'll just remove those two. And we'll put it in reverse order. Start by the top. Just like that. Or here I'm gonna attach this. So this attaches to this one. As you can see, it's attached. Now let's do the same thing on this side. So this side's attached too. Now I'm gonna turn this, and here, for some reason, and I guess it's a good thing, this stuff stays in. This was an old one and it stays in on a new one. So here I'm gonna zip this one in. And finally here, put this on, same thing here. So it clicks, make sure it's moving, so it's all good. Let's put this here. And now this. Let's see if we can put this one in. I think it goes like this. There you go. Just to show you close up, the back side goes all the way around the seat. Then you secure it right here. I think this one goes like this. Let me know if it's not, but it looks like it does, like this. For now, I'm just gonna close this. And same thing on this one. This goes on the seat frame, then this one goes here. And that's it, you're done. So overall, $62 for a new seat frame. I think that's very reasonable. It's a good job, UPPABaby, for giving reasonable prices for replacement parts. Hope you enjoy watching this video. If this video was useful, please click like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to see more videos. Thanks, and see you next time. By the way, anytime we walk with the baby at night, we always use these lights. I got two, one on each side. They're pretty bright, and what I like about it, it has like 12 different modes, but we always use this one. It's not too bright, but there are so many other options. Like, I'll just show you a couple here. The one we always use is this little bit dim red. It's bright enough, but it's not super bright. But if you walk at night, it's gonna be very distracting. So that's the one. And what I like is it has a memory save, so anytime you turn it on, it's always gonna be the same one. It's pretty expensive, but it's worth it. Oh yeah, it's rechargeable batteries, and we have to recharge it maybe once every 2 weeks or so, maybe even more. I'll leave you link, Amazon link below for those as well if you're interested.